Welcome, in front of me is the Honor 10X Lite, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this phone. And to get started, pull down the notification panel and look for the screen recording toggle, which for me is right over here in the corner. So once you find it, tap on it, allow access to whatever it needs, which it looks like it needs access to storage and the microphone. And from there, you have also a couple options. So let's just allow. Select got it, and as you can see, it automatically begins recording. It also automatically turns on microphone, so if you don't want your microphone to pick up, for instance, your voice, and do mute it. So from here, whatever I will do will be recorded. Now there's one little thing that I'll mention. If you're trying to record something like Netflix, Hulu, stuff like that, don't bother. I know for a fact that Netflix doesn't allow you to do that. And that basically means that if you try, all you will get is just the sound and black screen and nothing to it. So just putting that out there if you're planning to record your Netflix. Anyway, once you have stopped the recording, you can find it in the gallery application. As you can see, it is right now under videos. There we go. So there's the recording. So there we go. So that is how you can record your screen on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.